What's up, you guys? Cece back with another video. Today we're going to do some quarantine nails. I'm going to use some gel nail polish today and all of my new nail tools. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you go ahead and click that thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you have not. So you're going to need a few things. You are going to need obviously some gel nail polish. You're going to need a nail UV light. This cures the polish. I don't really know what you call it. I think you just call it a UV gel nail light. I have some alcohol wipes here. I also have this nail buffer that I've shown you guys before in another video. A nail file, of course, some nail glue. You're going to need a nail trimmer. And then, of course, you're going to need the false nails. So the first thing I do is file my nails down. I just try to give them a little shape. I had like some jagged edges. I haven't done my nails. Y'all know I ain't been to the salon, so my nails been like looking real raggedy, okay? So I had some jagged edges and just some pieces that I needed to file down. So I went ahead and filed my nails to a nice smooth shape. Next, I take the nail buffer. I actually got this from Amazon. Like I said, I showed you guys this before, but I will have it linked below in my Amazon store if you're interested. But this just helps really smooth and polish out your actual nail. I really love this tool. It just gets everything smooth. And if you didn't want to polish your nails, it shines them up as well. So your nails do have to be clean for the nail glue and for the nails to stick. So I just use this alcohol wipe and wipe off any debris or dust or anything that came from the nail file. Here is the fun part. So I did get these nails from Amazon as well. Again, everything will be linked below in the description box, but you just have to go through and figure out which nails work for your hand. So there's different sizes of nails, so just make sure you're picking the right size for your fingers. And then I'm gonna go ahead and glue the nails on. I opted to get the clear nails. I like those the best, but you can get any type of nail. You also want to make sure you're pushing your nail bed back when you are doing this. So I just take the nail before I put it on and glue it on, and I go ahead and push my nail bed back a little bit, or my cuticles I should say. I push those back a little bit before putting the nail on, and it just makes it look a lot more natural. Now, I believe these are the coffin style nails. Those were way too long. You guys know I have a newborn, so you cannot have nails like that with a little baby. So I went ahead and took this nail trimmer and I just trimmed them down to make them very, very short and manageable. But of course you can leave them in the shape that they come in. But yeah, that's not for me. Even before I had a newborn, that's not for me. Then this nail clipper is so easy. I loved using it. It was so easy. This is the type that they use at my salon, and I found this on Amazon, super cheap, and I just think it's going to be really, really convenient. I don't know when I'm going to get back to the salon. I keep saying I'm ready, but then I'm not going yet. So I might just do my nails like this a few more times. So all these tools will definitely come in handy. The next step is to shape up the nails. So I'm just filing them and shaping them. I want rounded edges so I don't poke my baby's eye out or anyone else's, and just so they're not sharp. And so I'm just taking the nail file and shaping them the way I want them to be shaped. I went in with the buffer again. I went on the rougher side just to kind of rough up the nails. I just wanted them to be a little rough. I didn't want them to be super shiny because we will be polishing over them. So I just wanted to rough them up before adding the polish. So I am using Nail Addict polish. I am using their base coat, their color, and their top coat. They did send this polish to me for a review and I am freaking hooked. I love this polish. I especially love this color. The color is Marry Me and it's just a nice light pink color, but they also sent me other colors, and I mean the quality of this polish is so amazing. It was my first time using gel polish at home and I loved just the ease of use. I also picked up this UV light from Amazon as well. It was super cheap and super convenient because it's so tiny. So I mean everything just worked out perfectly, but I would definitely recommend that you get the polish. I will have that linked below in their website. They have so many different colors to choose from. I definitely ordered a few more polishes because I love them so much. Like I said, I'll probably be polishing my own nails for a little bit, so really excited to have this and use it. I put 2 coats on each nail and then I used the top coat. So I did base coat, I cured it, I put 2 coats of the color, I cured it, and then I put the top coat on and I cured it, and everything was just absolutely perfect. It's a no wipe top coat, so I mean I was just very impressed with the polishes. If you guys watched my quarantine pamper routine where I did my nails came out terribly, but I feel like just with the ease of use of all the tools that I got, my nails came out so good. They weren't perfect, but they were so good, and I suck at polishing my nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.